Here's how I added 250 high-ticket retainer clients and 100 SaaS subscribers without demo calls or prospecting using this one sales funnel strategy. Number one, I found a very common problem that all local businesses have. In my case, it was ranking higher on Google and generating free leads from their Google business profile. Thanks to something called no-click or zero-click search, 60% of all searches on Google for local business services don't leave Google. As a result, we are able to solve a big problem: how to rank higher without SEO or website using your Google business profile. Step number two is I wrote an ebook that showed him how to rank higher and get free leads without SEO and paid ads. Step number three is I built a sales funnel that convinces them to purchase the book for just $20 so they can rank higher and get free leads. I'm not done selling. I also offer them a $200 video course that walks them through how to do the exact same thing they got in the book. Before they leave my funnel, I offer them a free marketing audit call. And when they book a call, they automatically get reminders, and I flood my calendar with book calls from paid customers. And to get traffic, all I do is run very simple Facebook ads, just a few dollars a day, to something like this, where I convince them to click on my link and buy my book. On this day, I spent $217 on Facebook ads, and I brought in $460 in digital product sales from those books and courses. The best part is I've already set this up for you and it's ready to launch. All you have to do is drop a comment below, say me, and I'll send you a link to my free demo presentation. Plus, I'll give you a free copy of my Agency $1 Million Lead Machine book.